Guys, right now I'm in traffic. Yo, things nah look right at the moment. You see me, big man thing like. I went to the hardware today to go try get some stuff, get a haircut. Come back. She said one of the dogs will probably eat poison. Probably two of them. I don't even know. And they say I don't know. So right now, this is rain. I'm just really miss calm. I'm not a person that deals like well with stress or unnecessary stress. So now we have to stop work just to carry these dogs to the vet. We are going to Noah's Ark really quick. When I went home, I did induce some hydrogen peroxide because it helps to induce vomiting. I saw one of them vomit and I never seen no poison inside of them vomit, so you know that was a good thing. But the other two I'm not sure about. So anyway, we are going there, so we try to get some vitamin K. I was calling one of my vets them, well, two of the vet them to come. One of them is heading back from Kingston to Baee, so that's out of question. And the other one, she feels sick, so we're just knocking at all corners. So I go Noah's Ark right now for them. Do whatever, they did the checks and stuff. The dogs them right now, them seem okay, like them don't have no symptoms because it just happened, but we not take no check. Then but they're going with a beer bag of things right now. They don't look so good. Them are going with a beer commotion. Yo guys, but we get up on top about, oh dogs are so cute, I want a dog, I want a dog. Yo, love it. You see me? Love it. If you never own a dog before, I understand it to the 100% love it. Can you hear them out there? Because they're like children. They're a good precursor to having a child. You see me? But right now you see rain fall. Tired of this rain thing. Traffic just slow. You see me? So it now move right. Like sometimes the bad things always happen at one time. You see me? Like I bet say if we do want to go right and off commit some form of crime or some stupidness. We're not in traffic, you know. We just zoops through and just do everything perfectly. You see me? But no, you need some form of positivity. That'll be your madness. That's how it goes in our life still. That's one thing I try to work for myself. You know how to like not make stress take you over. Just it is what it is, and you know work through it. And as expected to get worse, you know. When I doubt them dude in the car just a while ago, imagine you know them get fed how long, but no, this is the time they decide to do. Jano, and if it was one of them okay, but they threw them in the back, so somebody go step on it and go carry them, so bro. Alright guys, so went to Noah's Ark and trust me, it cost a lot, but like the service was great. When I first went in there, I felt that kind of attitude like, is it me? And I was like, yo, Jano, but like after things start going on, like it was great. Like in total it cost probably like it cost about 13 grand or so if you deal with the dog them. Because it's 3 dogs, so it's not just one dog, it's 3 dogs. They gave them an injection to make the dogs them throw up, and they were just in the room just throwing up. I didn't carry my vlog camera because you don't know, it's in a business place and certain places you don't want to vlog. But they were just throwing up. I had my phone, but I didn't snap that either. The vet was like, oh no, don't take no picture of this, you know. And they were checking to the throw up and stuff. They never find any poison or anything. To be honest, it's yo, if you want to see me cry, make one of my dog them dead. I remember one time my cousin accidentally like leave the gate open and one of the dogs them, when I had some German Shepherds, one of them went out or something. And I was walking around like my community just crying out, Francie! Like I walked for probably not so long, probably like 30 minutes just walking around wondering or hoping that, you know, you see me. But anyway, I'm curious if you eat something for kind of boost up my spirits, because trust me, don't pay that money there and I feel away, but I'm glad everything good. I'll catch you guys probably tomorrow, I don't even know.